So looking for some creative products this Diwali, check out this. These amazing cracker shaped chocolates make a perfect gift this Diwali. So you have a nice pack, and when you're looking at gifts in your budget, this is something you can definitely send to your customers, to your employees, and actually enjoy the fun. The crackers, but they're actually chocolates. So try this. You can also try rangoli, a rangoli with chocolates. Again, this is very customized, very well done piece, for your requirements. Then you can look at these, where we have again chocolates here, but in the shape of crackers, giving it a little bit of Diwali feeling, and yet be eco-friendly and mouth-friendly. We also have dry fruits here, so you can see the dry fruits here, along with just let me open this dry fruits with a candle and a nice pack. So this Diwali, if you're thinking of edibles, then this is the one that you can surely look at. So you know where to call now. Thank you very much.